when birds attack.
Where'd it go? Oh, I see it.
Oh!
Oh, that's can't.
Oh!
Good step. And another step. And another. Oh! Oh, you want to go?
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Girl, there's one on the ground. There's one on the ground. On the ground. Oh, jeez. The bird just barely jumped over the bat. Hey, throw sticks. Let's play archery. No. Actually, I think that was a different robin he threw at. For once, the dad is actually involved.
Oh, shit.
Was that the dad?
You wanna go,
Oh.
Stop hitting the wire.
Oh.
I wasn't ready for that one.
We have a third robin up there.
Hey, look, get him the catcher's mask. I'll catch your ears.
You better fly away.
Three steps.
Wait for them to get lower.
Hey, no, give him the catcher here.
I like
Why?
So in case he gets hit.
Oh. Shit, now I can actually get a good picture of a baby bird.